Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi no ithiete na mbere na kumomora ibanda iria ire mathiteji-ini ma ngari na mwena-ini wa barabara hari gutheria thiteji ici o undu umwe na kunyihanyihia muthianiriro wa ngari tauni-ini ya Nairobi. Umuthi birigiceni yuma mwena wa BS kuria ibanda icio imomorirwo, ahuri biashara aria marutagira wira ibanda-ini ici ni makaete ni hathara nene iria mathiete. Mubunge wa Starehe Charles Njagua ni amenereirie umomori uyu akiuga andu aingi ni megukorwo mari hatikaini thutha wa umomori uyu amu aingi ao mari na maroni bengi, na akoria thirikari nene na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi gucokanirira na kuona uria andu acio mangiteithio ta uria meranire hindi ya kampeni cia githurano.
Mimi naomba county government, wale watu wamebomolewa, tutafute, tukae chini, tutafute ya way ya kumake sure wanarudi kwa biashara zao, ili kama ni kupunguza wizi, hatuwezi kupunguza wizi na kutoa watu kwenye biashara.
Na kuo mwena wa Naikuru, kamite ya ugiteri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru enyitanire na kamite ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini ni mambiriirie mutambo uria ukuhuthirwo ni aikari a mwena ucio kuheana ndumiriri egie ungumania, undu uria wirigirirwo gutigirira cieko cia ungumania ni ciahuranwo nacio. Aikari a Naikuru ni moritio kuhuthira mutambo uyu uria urahuthira thimu kuhura riboti hindi iria metio mahaki wabici-ini cia thirikari.
It is up to us to say who is not serving us well. And here we are doing it with a lot of respect, because all we need to do is a text or even the app, and it is completely anonymous. And with that, then the responsibility now comes back to us, the citizens, because are we reporting what is going wrong, or are we just complaining?
And we have already briefed our officers that they should not engage themselves in corruption activities. They have already seen that we have started the way, and they have to follow what we are telling them.
Na tukirekereria arutwo a thukuru wa urigitani kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ni marorunganire nginya wabici-ini ya gavana makiuga ni marenda macokerio munene wa thukuru ucio Zipora Njeru uria marauga ni agacirithitie mathomo na kurehe ukuria thukuru-ini ucio.
Principal Madam Zipora Njeru has received a transfer letter transferring her to another college. Their complaint is that the principal has been in college for less than 1 year and has transformed the school.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes. Yes. We can only help you to transmit the letter to the right offices. But otherwise, the county governor, the county government would have no power.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Muthoni wa Njoroge.